Journey to the West.
西游记
Journey to the West. Long ago in China, a magical monkey was born from a stone.
很久以前，一只神奇的石猴诞生了。
Long ago in China, a magical monkey was born from a stone. His name was Sun Wukong, the Monkey King.
他的名字叫孙悟空。
His name was Sun Wukong, the Monkey King. He learned powerful magic and martial arts.
他学会了强大的法术与武功。
He learned powerful magic and martial arts. He could transform into 72 forms.
他能变化72变。
He could transform into 72 forms. He could travel 108,000 miles in one leap.
他一个筋斗108000里。
He could travel 108,000 miles in one leap. He once caused great trouble in heaven.
他曾大闹天宫。
He once caused great trouble in heaven. The Jade Emperor could not stop him.
玉皇大帝也拿他没办法。
The Jade Emperor could not stop him. Finally, the Buddha trapped him under a mountain.
最后如来佛祖把他压在五行山下。
Finally, the Buddha trapped him under a mountain. He stayed there for 500 years.
他被压了500年。
He stayed there for 500 years. A monk named Tang Sanzang came to free him.
唐三藏路过并救了他。
A monk named Tang Sanzang came to free him. Tang Sanzang was going to the west to get sacred scriptures.
唐三藏要去西天取经。
Tang Sanzang was going to the west to get sacred scriptures. Sun Wukong promised to protect him.
孙悟空答应保护师傅。
Sun Wukong promised to protect him. They began their long journey.
他们开始长途旅程。
They began their long journey. Soon they met Zhu Beiji.
他们遇见了猪八戒，
Soon they met Zhu Beiji. They also met Sha Wujing.
也遇见了沙悟净。
They also met Sha Wujing. Together they faced many dangers.
他们一起面对各种危险。
Together they faced many dangers. One enemy was the White Bone Demon.
其中一个敌人是白骨精。
One enemy was the White Bone Demon. She changed into different people to trick the monk.
他变成不同的人来欺骗唐三藏。
She changed into different people to trick the monk. Sun Wukong saw through her tricks.
孙悟空识破了他的诡计。
Sun Wukong saw through her tricks. But Tang Sanzang misunderstood him.
但唐三藏误会了悟空。
But Tang Sanzang misunderstood him. Another enemy was the Yellow-Winged Monster.
另一个敌人是黄风怪。
Another enemy was the Yellow-Winged Monster. He blew a powerful sandstorm.
他吹出可怕的黄风。
He blew a powerful sandstorm. Sun Wukong almost lost the battle.
孙悟空差点战败。
Sun Wukong almost lost the battle. With help from heavenly beings, he won.
在天神帮助下，他才打赢。
With help from heavenly beings, he won. Then they met the Red Boy.
后来他们遇见红孩儿。
Then they met the Red Boy. Red Boy used true Samadhi fire.
红孩儿会使用三昧真火。
Red Boy used true Samadhi fire. Even Sun Wukong feared his flames.
连孙悟空都怕他的火。
Even Sun Wukong feared his flames. Guanyin finally subdued Red Boy.
观音菩萨最后收服了他。
Guanyin finally subdued Red Boy. They also fought the Golden Horn King.
他们还对付金角大王
They also fought the Golden Horn King, and the Silver Horn King,
以及银角大王。
and the Silver Horn King. The two demons used magical treasures.
两个妖怪使用法宝。
The two demons used magical treasures. Sun Wukong used wisdom to defeat them.
孙悟空用智慧打败他们。
Sun Wukong used wisdom to defeat them. One powerful demon was Bull Demon King.
牛魔王也是强大的妖王。
One powerful demon was Bull Demon King. He was once Sun Wukong's sworn brother.
他曾是悟空的结拜兄弟。
He was once Sun Wukong's sworn brother. They had a fierce battle.
两人展开激烈战斗。
They had a fierce battle. Finally, justice defeated evil.
最后正义战胜邪恶。
Finally, justice defeated evil. The journey grew harder each day.
旅程越来越艰难。
The journey grew harder each day. Many demons wanted to eat Tang Sanzang.
很多妖怪想吃唐三藏。
Many demons wanted to eat Tang Sanzang. They believed his flesh gave immortality.
他们相信吃它能长生不老。
They believed his flesh gave immortality. The team never gave up.
师徒四人从不放弃。
The team never gave up. They crossed mountains and rivers.
他们翻山越岭，
They crossed mountains and rivers. They experienced 81 trials.
他们经历998难，
They experienced 81 trials. Each trial made them stronger.
每次考验都让他们更坚强。
Each trial made them stronger. At last, they reached the Western Paradise.
最后，他们抵达西天。
At last, they reached the Western Paradise. They met the Buddha again.
再次见到佛祖，
They met the Buddha again. Tang San then received the sacred scriptures.
唐三藏取得真经，
Tang San then received the sacred scriptures. Sun Wukong was honored as a Buddha.
孙悟空被封为斗战胜佛，
Sun Wukong was honored as a Buddha. Yu Beiji received a heavenly title.
猪八戒也被封职，
Yu Beiji received a heavenly title. Xiao Wujing was rewarded too.
沙悟净也获得奖赏。
Xiao Wujing was rewarded too. Their journey became one of China's greatest legends.
他们的旅程成为中国最伟大的传奇之一。
Their journey became one of China's greatest legends.